Nick. This is what we need for the project. A breadboard to test it, some resistors, cables, a relay, transformer, transistor, an RGB LED, some LEDs, a capacitor, button, and Arduino Nano. So let's test it. The blue LED is on because I'm in freeze-time mode. Freeze-time mode ended. The blue LED turned off. Bro, shoot me. Come on. Okay. Too much, too much. If you're like me and love working on DIY electronics projects, then you know how important it is to have high-quality, reliable PCBs for your builds. That's where JLC PCB comes in, your one-stop shop for affordable and professional PCB manufacturing services. At JLC PCB, placing an order is super easy. You can also order PCBs from 1 to 4 layers or 6 to 32 layers, flexible PCBs, PCB assembly, also 3D printing and CNC machining. For my case, now I will show you how to upload the CSGO Taser file. So you press Add Gerber, choose the file, open it. I will not be touching from this side for PCB quantity. I will go with 5, that's enough for me. And for the PCB specifications, I will go with the black option. You can also choose purple, red, or blue, but I will go with the black one. I will not be changing anything from here, and that's it. Total is $8.20. Save to cart. View cart. So my total after shipment is $31.51. Look at these beauties. The solder mask is absolutely flawless, the silk screen is sharp and clear, and the edges are perfectly cut. Take a look at these traces, perfectly clean and consistent. The vias are plated beautifully and the silk screen text is easy to read. This is exactly what you want in a professional grade PCB. Also at the back it says CSGO Shock. Notice, use it, not advise it for individuals under 15, over 50, these with medical conditions, or beginners in electronics. After completing the enclosure 3D design for the PCB, it will look like this. It will have snap features from here. Also, these triangular shapes here and here. And there will be a lid here on top. It will look like this, and there are triangular holes here for the snap fit. also another hole here, so that part will snap in here, also here, as you can see. This is 2025. You can do everything you want on social media. And this will be the lid. And you just snap. That's it. And kids, this is why you shouldn't believe everything you see on YouTube. This is the actual process of making the PCB. When I get a damage from the game, my Arduino detects the damage and shocks me over these cables. These will connect to my body, and the main input will be two AA batteries, which is 3.2 volt input to the transformer. And whenever I take a damage from the game, Arduino will detect it and say, hey, the user took a damage, and it will activate this relay, and then the transformer will go through the current from this all the way to the wires, and it will shock me. It's about 40 to 50 volts, and so the 3 LEDs, actually 4, so the top one is RGB LED that detects the battery input. So if this RGB LED turns red, it means the battery input is low. If it turns to the color blue, it means the input voltage is okay-ish. And when it turns to green color, it means your input voltage is good. So the blue LED will turn on when the game is in freestyle mode. The yellow LED will blink when you take a damage from the game, and the red LED will turn on when you take a headshot or if your health is 0. And this button is only for testing.
Oh! Oh! Mang mày thân nào to. Back.
I'm gonna get shot. Bro, they don't have anything. Oh. Oh.
Öbürü nerede? You know, you can't aim with this. Just shoot. Okay. Did it hurt?
Yeah, I felt it.
This is version 1 of the device, and it's been a wild ride developing it. I've tested it, gotten feedback from friends, and honestly, it's been a blast seeing how much people enjoy the added realism. It's time to level up. I'm working on version 2, and this is where I need your help. I want to make this device even better, but I also want to make sure it's exactly what you gamers want. Here's what I'm thinking for version 2. A more compact and professional design with surface mount components. This is THT. A better microcontroller for smoother performance. I will be changing Arduino Nano to ESP32. A rechargeable Li-ion battery for longer gaming sessions and recharging it, not using AA batteries. Wireless control so you can ditch the cables, so you don't need to connect the Arduino Nano or ESP32 to your computer. So basically what I'm saying is after making the SMD circuit, you can attach this to your body, and then I will make a flash drive similar to flash drive, and that will connect to your PC, and the flash drive and the Node MCU will connect either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and there won't be any cables for it. But I don't want to stop there. What do you think this device needs? Should we focus on more on comfort, maybe add some customizable shock levels, or how about compatibility with other games? Please let me know, what games do you want? Drop your suggestions in the comments or share your thoughts on what would make this device must have for you. Whether it's a feature, design tweak, or even just a crazy idea, let me hear it. I'm also gearing up for a Kickstarter campaign to bring this project to life, so stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your gaming crew. Together we can make version 2 the ultimate haptic device for CSGO and beyond. Thank you for watching, and can't wait to hear from you all.